Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project files from Trello to Asana using native imports step by step clearly. Log into your Trello account. Navigate to the board that contains the project files you want to transfer. Click on the Show menu option on the right side of the board. Select More from the menu options. Choose Print and Export from the list provided. Then, click on Export as JSON. Save the JSON file to your computer. Now, log into your Asana account. Create a new project or select an existing project where you want to import Trello files. In the project view, look for the Import option, usually located in the Projects drop-down menu. Select Import from Trello from the list of available import options. You will be prompted to upload the JSON file you saved earlier. Click the Choose File button to locate and select your Trello JSON file. Asana will process the file and import your project data. Review the imported tasks and ensure all information has transferred correctly. Assign team members to tasks as needed. Adjust due dates and any other project details to fit your workflow. Once everything looks correct, your project is successfully transferred from Trello to Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.